Unlock seamless online payments within your Pandadoc documents by integrating with Stripe A Circumflex Euros. Let's get this set up in no time. First things first, log into your Pandadoc account once you're in. Navigate to your account settings. You can typically find this by clicking on your profile icon or a gear icon, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Within your settings, look for an option related to integrations or payment gateways. This is where you'll manage all your connected payment providers. You'll see a list of available payment gateways. Find Stripe and click on the Connect or Add Stripe button. This action will initiate the connection process. Pandadoc will now redirect you to Stripe's secure authorization page here. You'll need to log into your existing Stripe account using your Stripe email address and password. After logging in, Stripe will ask you to grant Pandadoc permission to access certain information and perform actions like processing payments. Review these permissions carefully and then click Allow Access or Connect Stripe to authorize the integration. And just like that, you'll be redirected back to Pandadoc, and you should see a confirmation that your Stripe gateway is successfully connected. You can now add payment requests to your Pandadoc documents, making it incredibly easy for your clients to pay you securely and conveniently.